How's it going, guys? My name is Ratin. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a feature video, the very first of the series. So today we have the one and only Vento Man's car as our feature. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So right here we have my good friend Vento Man, and he's gonna tell me about his vehicle. So Ransel, what can you tell me about your vehicle?
Right. First, let's talk about the interior. The interior upgrades done in this vehicle is the GTA paddle shifter, imported from Moscow,
Okay.
and these are the paddle shifter extenders, which doesn't come with the kit. So this was bought separately, and I'm actually inspired by these Fast and Furious movies since childhood, and I have a signature. I have an autograph, traced autograph of Chad Lindbergh, because he had a Volkswagen Jetta in part one.
Yep.
And yeah, let's come back to the
your
topic.
vehicle, yep.
So the interiors here. So this is a head unit.
Yep. Recently installed today.
Recently installed today.
Yep.
This is a head unit. Dealer says it's a best top good head unit. Sold better in this area here in Mangalore. And another thing comes the gauge package.
All of these gauges.
Yeah, most of the gauges are working there, and few gauges are disconnect because I don't like sounds and beep on the running.
Yeah.
And,
Even here, no? Even all these.
Yeah, even all this. This is the oil pressure.
Okay.
This is air fuel ratio.
Okay.
And this is these gauges belong to the turbo.
Okay. Yeah.
So, yeah, turbo, boost, and the vacuum.
Okay.
So the most important gauges are here are the turbo gauge and the water temperature gauge.
Okay. The
And
lowest one
voltage.
over here, no? Yeah.
Yeah, and the voltage
Voltage over here, okay.
electrical voltage gauge.
Cool.
So all this stuffs work during bad times. If battery is weak, battery is down, that thing shows the voltage. So whenever I twist the keys, if voltage is below 10, below 11 or 10, it shows that battery is weak, so I don't start the vehicle. And when it comes to performance, I have a complete turbo back setup from Automec,
Okay.
Automec downpipe, and a Nitto exhaust system
Okay.
with Ramos Valtronic unit, and BMC replacement filter with Eurospec air channel.
Okay.
So this makes sense with stage 2 map.
Map. Yeah.
So I've got 145 bhp stage 2
Yeah.
e-tunnels map,
Okay.
and also the DSC map for stage 2.
Okay. What are the stock figures?
Stock is 105 bhp.
Okay. Oh, that sounds awesome. So this is a Valtronic exhaust, no?
Yeah, this is a Valtronic exhaust.
Okay.
And
Oof. Scraping is an issue.
scraping is an issue because I've got coilovers. I have coilovers, and coilovers are dropped. Vehicle is dropped to maximum low,
Okay.
and
Do you know how low it stands now?
I really have no idea because I've totally dropped to maximum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like literally no this thing clearance between the wheel and the arch,
Maybe
right?
yeah, there's no clearance.
Okay.
Wheels are going inside the fenders.
Yeah.
So I don't load the vehicle.
Yeah.
This is for my single use.
Okay.
So I don't load passengers usually.
Okay.
And yeah.
What about humps like this? Like, do you can take it in a single stretch, or do you have to? Oh, you can. You have to slightly
When I
angle it, right?
Yeah. Whenever there is passenger in my vehicle, I take it in angle
Okay.
so that vehicle
It doesn't touch the-
scrape the hump.
So, approximately how much did you spend on the vehicle?
I have no idea. Maybe 2 lakhs approx.
Oh, nice. It's a beautiful car.
Yeah, 2 lakhs approx with performance
Okay.
upgrades and everything. This is a third set wheel.
Ah.
So first was 7J Momo Revenge,
Okay.
and for the second time, first was 17-inch 7.5J
Okay.
Momo Revenge,
Okay.
the black wheels.
Yeah.
Then I was not happy with those wheels, and then I thought I might need some wider wheels.
Okay.
So I went for Lenzo.
Okay.
And what happened here was the dealer didn't promise me about the quality, so I had to give off the Lenzo and again stick back to Momo.
Okay.
So third set I bought was the Momo Revenge Concave,
Okay.
and painted it to bronze. It was actually vehicle was actually looking good, elegant,
bro.
but later I was bored with it. Then I painted it to pearl white metallic.
Okay, yeah.
So
Looks
now
beautiful.
vehicle looks like you
It
know
looks
what?
perfect.
Not the completely rally art.
Yeah,
Something elegant, a rally art setup with elegance.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well said. So what else? What about the hood? You got a custom hood over
Yeah,
there.
hood and front skirting is done by Modsters.
Okay.
Modster Automotive.
Okay,
The
okay,
most
cool,
famous.
It's a ready-made hood, is it?
Yeah, it's not actually a ready-made hood.
Or did they fabricate
It's
it?
a custom-made fabricated hood.
Okay.
They do as per the designs given by the customers.
Okay. But for you, wasn't it was it ready-made, or you got it ready-made, or you asked him to fabricate it?
We had some settlements to be done.
Okay, okay.
I had brought some side skirts with him,
Okay.
and side skirts. You know what?
Hmm.
Those weren't the type of the design which I expected.
Okay.
So I gave them the side skirt, and they replaced me the bonnet
Okay, that's
with
good.
some 7K concession,
Okay.
which I didn't wanted that concession.
Oh.
I do business, so I don't let other businessmen lose their profit for other customers.
Yeah. Exactly.
So that is why.
What would you say about your tune? Like, do you recommend tuning a car, or like what do you say?
I recommend,
Since it's an automatic.
Yeah, since it's an automatic, I recommend when it comes to other gearboxes, it's a different thing.
Yeah.
So when it comes to WAG DSC gearbox,
DSC, yeah.
if you aggressively remap the ECU, then TCU remap is compulsory.
Yep.
Or else, if you don't have deep pockets to spend on the gearbox, then you'll be stuck in a big problem.
Yep.
So that is why.
So right now you're running on stage 2, right?
I'm running on 145 bhp to 240 Nm
Okay, that's
stage
good.
2 with stage 2 DSG map.
Can you would you say that you can daily drive your vehicle without any problem?
Daily driving is not a problem.
Okay. Have you broken any splitters till now?
This is my third splitter.
That's like the usual thing which you have to replace,
splitter
no?
in the sense skirting. I usually don't put splitters.
Okay.
Splitters are the JDM mods which is not recommended to WAG.
Okay.
So if you have a decent skirting or a decent WAG body kit,
Oh.
then it looks like a complete WAG
Yeah.
spec.
Now the final thing what I want to ask is, how much mileage do you get?
Mileage, you know what?
Yeah.
When I bought a brand new car,
Yeah.
I don't know if you believe me or not, I got a mileage up to 25.
Whoa. That's
on,
insane.
maintaining gear 7.
Okay.
I should not go on much speed. I should not cruise the vehicle on much speed. Only good healthy fuel and 7th gear speeds.
Okay.
7th gear cruising.
Okay.
And after that, after doing some mods, maybe I failed doing some mods. Like I used to have the JDM air intake system, JDM type of air intake system to my WAG car.
Okay.
But maybe there were those days there were nobody to suggest me, recommend me some good setup.
Yeah.
So now after later that I heard so the stock intake box with the replacement filter will be healthy to the vehicle. So I replaced everything. I put back the stock box with BMC air intake system, air replacement filter, and the stage 2 map.
Crazy.
Now the vehicle has. I recommend everybody, each and everybody, whoever the car enthusiasts who are going for, who are interested remapping their car, I recommend them only eTuners Grease. I repeat, eTuners Grease.
eTuners Grease. Yeah, I'll make sure to tag them.
Yeah. They do. If you want the aggressive map, they'll do the aggressive thing depending on your car setup.
Okay.
It depends on how your engine takes.
Yeah.
How much your engine takes.
That is crazy. So you are building another vehicle right now, as of now? What's this next project?
I'm actually stuck into. Now I'm actually into the antique cars.
Okay.
I love antique cars the most.
Yep.
Than any other cars. So my next build is the project Tata Mobile Hearse.
Yeah.
And one more is the Tata Mobile 207 Crew Cab. Those two will be just classy and better than nothing else in antique segment.
Definitely. So this is Rancil, Mr. Vento Man.
Hello.
He is the genius behind this car. Thank you so much, Rancil, for helping me shoot this video. And if you guys like watching this video and if you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.